What's up, YouTube? How to make money online. This is the video that I'm going to be creating for you guys today. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I'm going to show you guys a brand new way. I'm going to show you a method. So even if you are broke, even if you have no money to start, I can guarantee you you're going to make money with this. This is no clickbait video. I know there's too many clickbait videos out there and people are just clicking and then when they realize they don't have any substance. So this video is going to give you some instructions how you can make money without even spending any money and how to make money online 2019. All right, so make sure you watch this video till the end. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Andre. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. Subscribe, hit that bell notification. So every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. I got something new for you guys. I got something interesting. And trust me, I'm telling you, you can make money with this. The only way you don't make money, unless you don't love money. And I'm just going to say that right now. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to jump into things right away. And I'm going to show you in the back of my computer. So the network that you're going to sign up for is called Max Bounty. So Max Bounty is an affiliate network. All you have to do is just sign up. Once you get approved, then you're qualified to be an affiliate for them. And if you guys are looking for my #1 recommendation of making money online, check out the first link in the description. I'm going to give you a 15-day business builder challenge so you can grow and scale your business online. So it's free. You don't have to pay anything. Check out the link in the description. So once you sign up for Max Bounty, again, it's a great website that has multiple different offers, and it's just an affiliate marketing platform. And people just come on here and they promote different products, services, so whatever niche that you want to go into. There is health and wellness niche, there's dating niche, if you're in the make money online niche, and all that type of stuff. So if you click on where it says affiliates, you could go right here, you could join, you could sign up. Once you get approved, you're going to be on your way. And they always do like affiliate marketing contests as well. You can win up to $1,000 new affiliate bonus once you sign up. So as you can see, it's 3 easy steps. That's all you have to do to get going. And how they pay, how do they pay? They pay weekly. So you can ramp up your traffic. You can get paid whether it's MasterCard, check, PayPal, ACH, Bitcoin. And this is worldwide. So if you want to sign up for it, sign up. And if you get approved, you're on your way. So once you sign up, what to do next? That's the big question. Once you sign up and you come in, you're going to have your dashboard. I kind of zoomed this out for a little bit because I didn't want to show my affiliate manager the actual, I didn't want to show his name and all that kind of stuff. So once you come in, here's how you're going to make money. And this is how you want to start off by making money online, right? You don't have to, if you don't know much about affiliate marketing and if you don't have a lot of experience, here's what you want to do. You want to do the CPA, that is called cost per action, meaning that you're going to collect emails. So all you have to do is come here and where it says email submit, meaning that if someone enters their email, Max Bounty will pay you, or the company that Max Bounty is advertising will pay you for that. Now, if you look through here, you can get paid $1 per lead, $1.80, $1.60, $1.60. You get $1.90. You get up to $2.40 per lead. And when it says per lead, it meaning that someone submit an email, meaning they put their email address in. Once they put their email address in, you're going to get paid for it. How cool is that? So you don't have to have any huge websites or following and all that kind of stuff. And I'm going to show you how you can even scale and make money with this method. So I'm going to show you a method. So make sure you watch this video till the end. All right. So $2.40 per lead. So let's say you want to go and get a lead for, I don't know what, this is like Sam Club. There's Beyonce plus perfume. You also want to check out the EPC. And this meaning that, like how many people are actually engaging on it. And the higher it is, the better chance you have of people signing up. Once you see like 0, 1, I'm not saying it's not good, but you want to get something with a higher EPC. It's just common sense to try to go for higher. So you could just, click on the next one, go through here. And let's say you want to promote a high one. Let's find one with 40, right? This one is like sweepstakes a month. This is like MLB tickets and jerseys. There's a ton of people out there that like MLB. That's their kind of stuff. So if you can find where those people are hanging out, you could tap into their playing ground. You can get people's email address by Facebook fan page, Instagram, YouTube, all that type of stuff. So I'm going to show you a quick little hack how you can collect emails using Facebook. So I'm just going to jump over my Facebook right now. So make sure you stay to the end because I'm telling you, this video is powerful. I don't see anybody talking about this. Not too many people are sharing these secrets. So that's why I'm just here to help. So what you want to do, you want to create a Facebook fan page. If you don't know how to create a Facebook fan page, all you have to do is just click on where it says create. Facebook is making it easy for you. So you click on here, click where it says page. Once you come down here, you can set up a community. Set up a community fan page. And if you have a fan page that is going viral, here's how you're going to find viral things, right? You're going to find videos, funny videos, videos that grabs people's attention, because once those videos start to go out, they start to go viral. People start sharing them. People start coming. I'm telling you, you can crush this. These are tips and tricks that people don't tell you. So let's say I'm going to go on here, right? I'm just going to find let's say funny videos. So if I type in funny videos, you can go on Instagram and you can find all that type of stuff. So if I click on where it says pages, this is like 1 million followers, funny hood videos. And I can tell you some of these people are probably, one, advertising. They're using a lot of things to get people to sign up for, because that's the way how people are using the internet just to survive, because it's a great way. So if you look on here, you see funny videos, right? So this right here, you have, it says funny videos. I'm sure they put blogs as well. And you have all these things. People like this because guess what? They are sharing it. And the more they're sharing it, the better chance you have of getting as many people. Now, once it goes viral, sometimes if you look in the comments of these things, people are actually putting links. They're putting links together, emails. So once you collect those emails, then you're going to get paid for it, right? It's normal. People are paying people to get emails. So if you can find a way how to get these emails by using Max Bounty, just go through here and see which one you want to promote, right? There's sweepstakes ones. There's get a McDonald's gift card. Like there's so many people want to get McDonald's, right? Imagine having a funny videos and sharing it and say, hey, by the way, get a free McDonald's gift card just for submitting your email. You can make $1.60. Now, if you add that up, 10 people at $1.60, you're looking at $10.60 for 10 emails. So imagine if you get 100 emails, you're looking at $100 easily. So you can make $100 a day once you have a video that goes viral and people start clicking on your links and start to get emails. That's all you can do. Now, some of them allow you to do it on social media. So as you can see here, social media, some of them don't. So you have to look and see what traffic source do they want it from. Is it email? Is it contextual? Is it display? Is it search? All that type of stuff. Mobile ads. So all you have to do is just do your research, and then you can go out and crush it. So you don't need to spend a lot of money. Well, you don't need to spend any money. So that's how you can make money in 2019 right away. Right away, you can jump on this. Now, it's going to take some work. It's going to take a little bit of time, but imagine setting up a fan page right now. By the end of the year to next year, and that is going, you don't need to work for anybody because you can do this, collect emails, and make a living. I got friends who are crushing it out there, and it's working. So I hope you go out there and you do the same. Just don't watch these videos and do not take action. Too many people are watching YouTube videos and not doing anything. You have to start doing something right now. Are you comfortable where you are right now? Are you satisfied where you are? If you're not, do something about it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. Hope you enjoyed this video. Share this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And yeah, somebody out there would probably enjoy this video. See you on the next one.